Hi, hello children, how are you all? Welcome back to my class. Today in this class, we are going to continue our same lesson of maths, that is multiplication. So open page number 72. Multiplication. So children, in the previous classes, we have learned multiplication is a repeated addition, multiplication without carrying, then properties of multiplication, that is multiplication property of multiplying by 1, the property of multiplication by 0. And we have learned the order principle of multiplication, multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000, then multiplication by 1 digit and 2 digit numbers, and we have solved some of the exercise, right? So today in this class we are going to start with a new topic, that is multiplication with carrying, and this word is very familiar to you because you have done in the case of addition, right? So let's take one example. Rama went to a shop with her father. She purchases 3 soaps. The cost of each soap is rupees 18. How much has she to pay for the shopkeeper? Yes, the Rama, she went to a shop with her father and she purchased 3 soaps and the cost of each soap is rupees 18. Now we have to calculate that how much she has to pay for the shopkeeper. Okay, so here what we have to do, we have to multiply 18 by 3, right? Okay, 18 into 3, right? You know, we have to start multiplying the number from the unit place, right? So 3 8s are how much? 24, right? So how to write 24? Like this. So as you know that the 2 digits cannot be in a single place, right? So in this case what we have to do? Yes, the right number, the right side number should be written here, and this left number will carry over to the next place, that is to the 10th place here. So it is 2 here. Yes. So 3 8s are 24. Next 3 1s are 3. Now what about this 2? We have to add this 3 to this answer. Yes, we have to add this 2 to this answer. Okay, 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2 is how much? Yes, it is 5. Right? So what is the cost of 3 soaps? It is 54. Understood? Now children, let's do one more example. So open page number 86. If one electric fan costs rupees 655, what is the total cost of 15 such fans? So what is the cost of one fan? It is rupees 655. So we have to calculate the total cost of 15 such fans. So we have to multiply 15 to 655. Okay, let's multiply it. So here I have written those rupees 655 into 15. Yes, so always we have to start from the unit place, isn't it? So 5 5s are how much? 25. How to write 25? Can I write here 25 whole number? No, I can't, right? So 25. So the right number should be here, and this left number will carry over to the next place, that is to the 10th place here, right? So we'll write here 2. Now 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 2. How much it is? Yes, it is 27. How to write 27? Like this. We can't write this both digits in a single place. What we have to do? Yes, we'll write this 7 here, and this left number will carry over to the next place, that is to the 100th place. Yes. Now 5 6 are how much? 30. 30 plus 2. How much? 32. We'll write here 32. Yes, we have finished with this first number. Now come to the second number, which is there in the 10th place. So we have to start writing the numbers from the 10th place. So here we have to put plus, right? Next 1 5s are 5. 1 5s are 5. 1 6s are 6. Okay, see this, whatever the carries are there here, it is of the first digit. Okay, when you are going to solve from the second one, that is from the 10th place, don't add this carries number here. Okay, understood? Those carries are of first number, not from the second number, right? So you have to leave this both the carries. Okay, 1 5s are 5, 1 5s are 5, 1 6 are 6. Now let's add it. 5, 7 plus 5, how much? 12. You know, so 1 will have to give carry over to the next place here. 2, 1 plus 2 plus 5, how much? 8, right? Next, 3 plus 6 is 9. So what is the cost of 15 fans? It is 9,825. 9,825. Understood, children? Okay. Now let's move forward with exercise 5.4. Okay, which is there on the page number 86. Multiply the following. The first example is 75 into 8. 75 into 8. So now let's solve it. Okay, so here it is there. 75 into 8. So let's start. 8 5s are 40. Right? How to write 40 here? Can I write both the digits here? No. So the right digit should be here and this left digit will carry over to the next place. So we'll write 4 here. So now 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 4. How much? 56 plus 4. How much? 60. Right? We'll write here 60. Understood? What is the answer here? 600. Understood? Now let's take one more example. We'll take this example because it is of one digit. So try to do it by yourself. Now we'll take this fourth one. 83 into 26. 83 into 26. Let's solve it. We have to start multiplying the number from the unit place. Yes. So here 6 3s are how much? 18. So we'll write 8 here and 1 will carry over to the next place. Next 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 1 49. Right? Next we have to take the next number which is there in the 10th place. So here we have to put the addition mark, right? Here we have to put the plus. Next 2 3s are 6. Here it is 6. Next 2 8s are 16. Right? Now let's add it. As I told you, don't add this carry because this carry is of the first number. Already we have solved it here. Yes, already we have added this 1 to this answer. Isn't it? So don't add this carry to this next number. Okay. So 8 is 8 here. 9 plus 6 is 15. Right? So we'll give one carry over to the next place. So 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. Right? So 1 will write here and the next one will carry over to the next place. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So what is the answer here? 2158. Understood, children? So in the same way, you just try to solve it by yourself. Come to the second main. Solve the following problems. A schoolboy saves rupees 25 every month. How much does he save in 1 year? So a schoolboy, he has saved rupees 25 every month. Now we have to calculate that how much he saved in 1 year. Okay. So see here. Amount saved by the boy every month. It is rupees 25. Now, he saves in 1 year. So, this 1 year is equal to 12 months. Right? So, 1 year is equal to 12 months. So, now we'll multiply this 12 to the 25. Now, let's start multiplying the numbers. So, you know that we always have to start multiplying the numbers from the unit place. So, here 2 5s are 10. Right? So, 0 will write here and 1 will carry over to the next place. Yes. Now 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Right. So we're done with the first digit. Now come to the second digit, which is there in the 10th place. So here we have to put the plus. No. 1 5s are 5. 1 2s are 2. Yes. Understood. Now let's add it. 0 to 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. So we'll write 0 here and we'll give carry over to the next place. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Right. So how much the boy saved in 1 year? He saved rupees 300. Right. So a boy saves rupees 300 in 1 year. Understood, children? So we have solved this first one. Now let's take one more example. There are 75 chocolates in a packet. How many chocolates are there in 7 such packets? Okay, so there are 75 chocolates in a packet. So we have to calculate that how many chocolates are there in 7 such packets. Okay, so here what we have to do? Yes, we have to multiply the 7 to the 75. Right? So number of chocolates in a packet is how much? It is 75. We'll write here 75. Right? Now number of chocolates in 7 packets. So 75 into 7. Right? So 7 5s are 35. So we'll write here 5 and this 3 will carry over to the next place. So 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 3 is 52. Right? So what is the cost of? So how many chocolates are there in 7 packets? Therefore there are 525 chocolates in 7 packets. Understood, children? Okay, now let's take one more example. Here the 3, 4 and 5. It is easy. You just try to do it by yourself. Okay, now let's move to the 6th one. Neeta prepares 200 toys in a month. How many such toys she prepares in a 3 years? So Neeta, she has prepared 200 toys in 1 month. Now we have to calculate that how many such toys she has prepared in 3 years. Okay, so here we'll write the particulars. Number of toys prepared in 1 month. How much it is? It is 200. So 200. Number of toys prepared in 3 years. So this 3 years is equal to 36 months. Okay, we have to convert this years into months. So 3 years is equal to 36 months. So 200 into 36. Now let's do it. 600, 600, 6 2s are 12. Right? Now plus 300, 300, 3 2s are 6. Right? So let's add it. 0 is 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. So 1 plus 6 is 7. Yes? So therefore total number of toys prepared in 3 years is how much? 7,200. 7,200 toys. Understood? Okay.